That's how banana chips go from farm to factory to you.
Crispy banana chips start with firm, green bananas.
Keep them green, no ripening yet. Raisin.
Narration timing matters from the first cut.
These are perfect for chips. Only the right texture moves on.
Preparation starts at the source.
Ilk-Contasi. Clean containers protect quality.
No bruises, gentle. Handling prevents waste.
Traceability begins early.
Freshness moves fast. From farm to factory. Processing begins. Processing begins. Surface impurities are removed.
Peel rate looks good.
Uniform peeling ensures consistency.
Thickness defines crunch.
Color is preserved naturally. Quality is filtered in real time.
Heat transforms texture.
Temps holding steady.
Precision keeps flavor balanced.
Excess oil is removed.
Light seasoning, perfect.
Flavor is layered gently.
Crunch sets as they cool.
Only the best move forward. Safety is verified. Every bag meets its promise.
Freshness is locked in.
Information travels with food.
Counts right, ship it. Retail ready.
Distribution begins. From factory to shelf. Availability meets appetite. That's how banana chips go from farm to factory to you.